So versatile, you'll use it every day, makes soups and casseroles, steams vegetables and rice, cooks pasta, roasts beef, pork, and poultry. Deep fries 6 servings in handy steam/fry basket, heavy cast aluminum base for even heat distribution. Tempered glass cover, fully immersible and dishwasher safe with the heat control removed. Included components, cooking appliances, rice cookers. Item shape, round. Wattage, 1200 watts. Size, 5 quarts. Premium nonstick finish inside and out for stick-free cooking and easy cleaning, fully immiscible and dishwasher safe with heat control removed. 120 volts, 60 Hz only. Top reviews from the United States. Decades later, still amazing. As I remember, I bought my first Presto multi-cooker in the late 70s as a college student. The cost in those much dearer dollars was somewhere around what it costs today. Of course, it was made in the USA. I've owned a few of these over the years. Why? I'd go through cycles of not using one, so I'd give it away to someone. I had the one with the crock insert that didn't do as well as a real crock pot because the heat source was all in the bottom. I had the regular ones like the one being reviewed today. I have always been crazy about small appliances, so this would fall out of fashion, periodically. Well, I'm in my 60s now, living alone, and simply don't need the original size or the supersized one available now. I happened to see the smaller model on Amazon at this truly amazing low price, and snapped it up. I own 2 iPots, an expensive rice cooker, a Cuisinart, a Vitamix, another old friend, 2 air fryers of different types. So why buy this? It has its own charms. For one thing, the Instant Pots can't deep fry, not that I do it that often. True, you can take the stainless steel iPot liner and use it as a deep fryer on the stove, but it's certainly no fun. I do have a small slow cooker, but it takes some real time to heat up to cooking temperature. These Presto cookers do a great job of deep frying with the included basket. It just a great job on warm of doing hot dips such as queso dip. If someone doesn't have a slow cooker, these do a fine job for most things, particularly with periodic stirring of foods about every hour. It still has just the heating element in the bottom. It'll happily simmer and boil to one's heart's content. I'll agree with others reviewing here that the magnetic safety power cord can be a pain, but I support their use. I recommend that others wanting food for 1 to 2 people in a very simple, dishwasher-safe appliance consider this.